I want Abhimanyu on stage here because he's 28 and he wrote to us when we put forward this whole thing of asking people to talk on HOPEX, on the HOPEX stage. And he said, I have overcome failure. I thought it was a good story for people to understand because what happens is all of us undergo failures and that's when we crack. That's when we collapse. And very few of us have got the support system to come out of our issues, come out of problems, and very few of us got the willpower to actually do it without a support system. I think Abhimanyu's got a story, and I want to talk about it. He's 28. And please ask him questions because I think all of us here have problems at some stage of life, stuff like that. Come, Abhi.
First of all, I thanks to Bala sir. He's giving me opportunity to speak in front of you all. And I welcome to all the parents and my dear students and childs. I want to share one story. It's none of others. It's in my life story. The story is, the heading is, failure is the one more step to open the success door. I was a very rural village from Odisha, my native place. I am basically from Odisha. When I was a child, I was challenging every moment because I have 5 brothers. I don't have any sisters. My father is the one earning person to maintain my family, and we all are study. After sometimes my big brother drop out the study after 10th because he don't have any interest for study. I was the only one person who was very zeal to study and learn something better. In my village, I was very enthusiastic about the study, and one of my friend also at that time. We both, after my 7th, I came out from the village. My high school was 6 kilometer distance from my village. It was very muddy road. There is no communication to come the high school. That time was a one bicycle, first bicycle in my village my father brought for me because I study well. All the villagers always said me, he's studying well, he can do something better. That was zeal and challenging every moment. I was the front desk student. I'm an average student. I'm not a very intellectual, but always I am in front. And every moment I need to challenge. After that, I faced the 10th standard exam. Every subject was good. Because of math, I scored more mark, but I got failed. All hopes of my father and my villagers, my friends, got shocked because I failed because of one subject, that was math. Then I depressed when result came. Me and my friend was in NSC high school. This is a boys high school. When all others are studying in Panchayat high school, I was in NSC high school. That was a big challenging for me because I request to my father, I don't want to go the Panchayat high school. I will go NSC high school because there is a facility of NCC, Scout, Guide. I saw and I heard also about from my other friends. Then I requested my father allow me to study. When I got fell, I got shocked and I came home. I closed the door in my home. I started crying. After some time, my mother came and he told, what happened? You are crying? I told, I got fell. Then he told, you cannot try one more time? For that you are crying. And after half an hour, I came out the village field where my friends are playing. I stand there and I'm watching and laughing. They are watching me like some giraffe. It's coming, hey, after you fell, how come you are coming here and laughing in front of all? You don't have any shame. One of my friend told me in front of my, he came and he told me, you don't have any shame. You failed and you are coming and watching the cricket and you are laughing also. Then that day I decided, 10 years of my journey and my work, my father so hope and everybody so hope, I'll never give up. Then one day I meet one of my favorite teacher. He also got shocked. He don't know my result. Then when I met after 15 days, he told, your knowledge and your talent is not telling to be a fail person. How come? Then sir, it's unfortunately or it's a lack of my knowledge. I failed in math. You try, you will be success. Then I decided, because math is very fear to me, I started practicing like a copy paste. Like same to same number, same figure, and same full stop, comma, everything. Then, after that also I got failed. Third time was my attempt. I every time believe the God and my work. I told my life is gone. Whatever my dream, because my one of my brother always tell after 10th, whatever your domain you can choose, like art, science, commerce, any ITI, anything you can choose. Always I dreaming. Once I cross this, I'll go my domain. I'll do better. I can do something others are doing. Then I felt and I depressed. Once again I depressed. Then I started, I will do. Because I will never give up my 10 years of my journey. And all others hope on me. That was my last attempt. Then I taken the challenge. Anyhow, I will pass. Because I score good mark in other subject. Because of math, I will never give up my life. Then that was my third attempt. I score good and I overcome my 10th failure because of math. Now I am a bank manager, relationship manager, as well as I am a physical education student, the second year. And one more thing I want to share with all the childs, your parents having the hope on you, your neighbors having hope on you, you carry on. You can do, because I can share the Dr. Abdul Kalam story, because he's not a scientist. He's so many things he did in his life. He's a classical example of ours. As a rural village from Rameswaram to Rashtrapati Bhavan, if he won, we can also win. Never give up in life. Do. Take the last attempt is your final success story. Thank you for everyone giving me this
Abhimanyu,
opportunity.
what was your, sorry to interrupt you, but what was your biggest struggle moment?
Because sir, I never focus on math, because all the science and English and MIL, all those subject I prepare well. I never prepare well math because I have fear. The inner fear I have, I never practice that well. That was my challenge. When after I failed, I realized it was lack of my practice. If that time I have same things, copy, paste, whatever maybe I can practice, that time I can overcome. That was because of failure. When I failed 2 times, I got to know that was the lack. Even I don't have also more knowledge in math nowadays also. I'm very much fear about the math. But I overcome, and father was happy. My all brothers also happy.
You are happy
This
too.
is the message. You never give up life. I am also practicing lift weighting and bodybuilding and so many other things I am doing also. I am a national level sportsman also.
Oh. Thanks, Abhimanyu. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Bala sir, and thank you all of you. Have a great day.